Welcome to your next car. Wasim here, bringing you a quick walk around of this F15 X5. We just had an X5 M Sport 3 litre D twin turbo, 2016 66 reg. Has around £8,000 worth of factory options, which I'll talk you through, helping you make an informed buying decision. Absolutely gorgeous colour combination of carbon black metallic with our gloss styling pack. Grills, front splitter. Xenon headlights, panoramic glass roof, factory privacy glass on this model, got the 20-inch LA alloy wheels, 469 design. We've added these X5M style fenders, adaptive M suspension on this one, which is a great option, rear view camera, surround view cameras as well, so it's got front view, rear view, side view cameras, parking assistance pack, sun protection glazing, smokers package, storage compartment. Again with the styling pack, we've got these side fins and rear diffuser. Really good from this angle. Take a look at the boot space. Absolutely huge electric tailgate. See that lovely twin opening Sky Lounge panoramic roof. Condition is absolutely flawless. All the wheels are unmarked, touched in and professionally detailed. Take a look at the inside. All important Harman Kardon sound system, electric folding mirrors, electric seats, all soft grain leather, facelift model, so it's got a touchscreen navigation. Let's take a look at the, I still prefer using the iDrive, but let's have a look at this for servicing. Fully up to date main dealer service history, right down to 55, which was done January this year. Rear brakes aren't due for 12,000, front brakes aren't due for 14. Brake fluid 2 years, engine oil at 18,000 miles on 2 years. 8-speed paddle shift, head-up display, which I didn't mention earlier. That beautiful panoramic Sky Lounge roof, which of course has the tilt and slide and the electric blind. Professional widescreen navigation. Media playback Bluetooth phone, music collection so you can record the CDs in there, front and rear, front heated seats, digital climate control, gloss black inlays, find on many of these, the ambient lighting, really well presented car, not many around with these options. It's also got the driving assistance pack there. Look, see if I've missed any. Don't do this very often. I've actually printed out the spec list. It's got that much, I couldn't take it all in. Yeah, I think we've been through most of those. LED fog lights, driving assistance pack and lighting pack, xenon headlights. PCP is available on this. HP also, 60 months. We work with all the major lenders, Alfera, BMW, Motonovo, Santander, Close Brothers, so we can get you a really competitive deal. Give one of us a call. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and Instagram at Your Next Car UK. Thanks for watching.